Hey, listen up! I've got a sweet gig for you that involves jamming out to music and making some serious cash. Imagine this. Just by listening to one song, you can earn $6. That's right, $6. And if you listen to more songs, the money starts piling up even faster. 20 songs will score you a whopping $120. Crazy, right? Trust me, I've already banked over $800 using this awesome platform. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Here's what you need to do to get in on the action. First, head on over to Jamendo.com. Type that into the search bar and click on the first link. Boom! You're on the homepage. Look on the left side and click the Start box. This is where the magic happens. Now let me break it down for you. On this rad website, you'll find a treasure trove of copyright-free music tracks in all sorts of genres. And the best part? You can listen to these tracks and make money while you're at it. It's a win-win situation. Check out all the payment proof from folks who are raking in the dough with this method every single day. People are making $25, $34, $21, and more. There's a massive community of money makers on this site. Okay, let's get you started. Sign up for a free account by clicking on Login and then sign up. You can use your email and password or link up with your Facebook or Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your name and image. Scroll down a bit to discover trending music tracks, but make sure to scroll back up for the songs that'll make us money. Click on More to explore all the songs available. If you prefer, you can also download the website app from Google Play or the App Store, or simply use the website itself. No matter where you are in the world, this method will work for you. Alright, let's focus on the pop genre. That's where the big bucks are likely hiding. Click on All Genres and select Pop. Keep all the other settings as they are. Boom! You're faced with hundreds and thousands of pop songs. And each one of these babies can earn you around $6 over and over again. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Here's the deal. Listen to a few seconds of a song. If you dig it, go ahead and download it for free. Just click the download icon and choose Free Download. No need to listen to the entire song. Rinse and repeat this process until you find a song that really speaks to your soul. It's crucial to choose a song that you genuinely enjoy. Download as many songs as you can because the more you download, the more money you'll make. Now, here's where things get interesting. We're going to use another website to monetize these songs. It's called 3upload.com. On this site, you can upload and share music files while getting paid for it. Sounds pretty sweet, right? To get started, create an account on 3upload.com by signing up and providing your deets. Select your preferred payment method, with PayPal being a solid choice. Verify your email and log in. Now click on Upload Files to start uploading those songs you downloaded earlier. Choose the upload option that works best for you, and then click that blue box that says Browse Files. Select the song you want to upload and hit Start Upload. Once the song is uploaded, you'll receive a special link. Copy that link and share it with others so they can download the song. And guess what? You'll get paid for each download. Now here's a little tip. Don't expect to make bank with just one song. To really stack up the cash, repeat this method with multiple songs. Oh, and to drive more traffic to your link, why not join some Facebook groups related to music? Share your link there and watch the downloads and your earnings soar. That's it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to listen to awesome music, download songs, and make money while doing it. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!